come from? He's such a good boy.
Oh yeah?
We are going on a walk. This is my outfit. I feel like I need a sip of water before we go. Last time we went on a walk, I have PTSD because I was dehydrated.
Oh yeah?
No, that one Sunday, last Sunday, when you really need to use the bathroom, and I really needed a drink.
Oh
this
yeah.
Is hydration, this is energy.
Put some of both in there? That looks like poo. And I'm gonna have another sip.
I just hate to be dehydrated or like really thirsty.
Oh, I know. But you don't want to like hold a water bottle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a little more.
And I was hydrating before.
And get some energy. They match your purse, don't they?
We walked up the hill towards our apartment and came in the front door because Tate realized he's a little chilly and I don't want him to be cold, so I was like, just grab a sweatshirt, it's okay. Anyway, look at this artichoke. It's interesting. Hey boy, where did he come from? He's such a good boy. Hi boy, that's a good puppies. Hi. Tate, quit, that's not your dog.
I know.
Okay, we need to leave him alone. Go back home. 2.2
How
miles.
far we walked?
2.2 miles. Which honestly, that felt like a harder walk than usual for some reason. Like I didn't even hit my step goal for the day on that walk. I'm only at 7,200 steps.
That's good.
No, I thought I'd surely be
You're
at
at
10.
7,200?
Yeah, the goal is 10,000 a day.
You're almost there.
I know, but like I thought I'd hit it on the walk. Yeah.
Hey, we'll walk to Dairy Queen
Okay.
and back. You'll have like what? 1,000 at least.
Tate wanted to go to Dairy Queen now. We have leftover pasta from our pasta making night, so that's what we're gonna warm up and have. You'll either love this or absolutely hate it. I love it. It's pickled garlic. I can only eat a few at a time before I get grossed out. I want to try it with the sriracha on it. I used to see this girl do it and she had like a jar of garlic. I don't know if it was pickled or regular, but she put sriracha on it.